This video is going to solve an exponential equation. You can tell it's an exponential equation because the variable we're trying to solve for is in the exponent. It's 10 to the power of m. It even says to use logarithms in the statement here, and that's because exponentials and logarithms are inverses. So whenever you get to the point of having an exponential that you're trying to undo, you need to use a logarithm. The key to be able to solve this correctly, though, is to remember that you have to work your order of operations. So you can't start with the logarithm. You got to work all the way down to having just the 10 to the m. And so we'll kind of go through that here. As you look on the right side, I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides because what I want to do is I want to isolate that exponential. So you have negative 3 times 10 to the m is equal to negative 813. And so from there, we're getting a little closer. We don't have any addition or anything terms, but we do have this negative 3. And we even have a little multiplication dot here to remind you that you're multiplying. The m is only the exponent of the 10, and that is why this is multiplication. And so your very next step is going to be to divide. So you're going to divide by negative 3 on both sides. And so you have your 813, or negative 813, divided by negative 3, which turns into a positive. And so you have just 10 to the m is equal to 271. Okay? From there, we're so close. What we have left to do is to undo our exponentials, and we use a logarithm because that's inverses. The base of this is 10, so we're going to do the log base 10 of both sides. Oops. So we're going to do log base 10 of both sides. So you have log base 10 of the left side. You're going to do log base 10 of the right side. That's how you use your inverses. And so this is 10 to the m in there, 271 inside there. And what happens, of course, is that these things undo each other. And so what you're left with is m equals the log base 10 of 271. Which on your calculator, if you wanted the decimal, as it asks to 3 decimal places, since it is base 10, you can just hit the log button on your graphing calculator screen. You don't need any other special buttons. And so it's 2.433 since you're asked to go out to 3 decimal places for this problem. So in any exponential equation, you know it's an exponential because you have an m in the exponent. You need to work to isolate that exponential before you do that logarithm.